Sige. Sige, salamat ha. Thank you.
VP Inday,
Yes.
welcome back to the Netherlands. Magandang araw po sa inyo. How are you today?
Thank you. I wouldn't say I'm happy to be back because of the situation of President Duterte, but I'm happy to see all of you again, and happy springtime sa inyong lahat. I am very well and okay.
Thank you, VP. On behalf of the Filipino community all over the world, welcome back and we're glad to see you again.
Yes, I'm happy to see first-timers as well. And first-timers in the Netherlands, ma'am, no?
Yes.
So,
We're here actually last year.
Yeah.
Oh.
We bring some cake.
Oo.
Birthday si Tatay.
Oh, salamat. And I think malaki din yung celebration nitong nakaraang March 28 para kay President Duterte. So, nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga Filipinos overseas na pumunta dito sa Hague noong March 28 para mag-celebrate dito sa Duterte Street and mag-celebrate din dun sa Malidel Park. So, thank you sa inyo.
Thank you, VP Inday.
Next birthday.
Yes, we always pray for that. No? Halos araw-araw yung dasal na sana ay makauwi na si President Duterte.
Kami uwi.
VP Inday,
Oh, sobra ma'am. Sobrang mahal ng
thank you, ma'am.
magastos ma'am.
VP Inday, how was your visit with PRRD after a while, ma'am, of not seeing him?
Okay lang naman. He looks well. He looks healthy. And wala naman siyang mga problema. I suggested na magpa-physiotherapy siya. But he refused na mag-physiotherapy. So, we'll see tomorrow kung makumbinsi natin siya na physiotherapy in lieu of his supposed dapat everyday exercise.
Yes. VP, what is your initial reaction when the jurisdiction was established, decided by the appeals chamber, ma'am?
Well, I accepted it as it is. Discussion na rin naman namin yun ng mga abogado, no? Na we don't see any way that the ICC will let go of the case of President Duterte since isa na lang ito sa dalawa na ICC cases, no? So we don't think na they will let this go.
Is it the same sentiment, VP, with respect doon sa confirmation of charges?
Yes.
Okay.
Same lang, no? Na this will really go to trial, and the best way to move forward is to prepare for time.